So the past 6 years, I've been working in research and education around the use of robotics in architecture and design fields. I applied to this residency because it was exactly blending my two passions. The one is like craft, and the other was robotics. For my generation of designers and makers, thinking in sustainability terms is not an option, it is a requirement. So from the beginning, the goal was to take the waste streams from the wood industry and repurpose them into new objects. What did come after was seeing the tree's narrative into my scans. All these grains that exist in wood are climate data. Seeing all these different imperfections or characteristics of wood made me realize that I'm working with a living organism and it has its own story. So what did emerge from using high-tech technology was this new message that I thought it was very interesting to pass into these artifacts.